Hello, welcome to ECC Myanmar. It's me again, Sir Aboya. In the previous video, we have discussed about the 4 reasons why you should learn English. And now I would like to share to you on what are the important things to learn when learning English. Let's start. There are different important roles in learning English. Today, I will tell you 2 important things what I think is essential in learning English. The first one is grammar, the foundation of English. Grammar helps understand the English language learners better and clearer. Grammar also enables them to understand how sentences are formed. It also allows them to write good essays and articles that can be understood by people who do not know much about grammar. Grammar helps one understand the English language by helping them understand the way words work together as a system. Understanding grammar can be one of the essential skills learned as an English language student. Grammar can simplify the learning process. It's essential to allow learners to express their thoughts effectively and form precise ideas. Grammar is not just about spelling or punctuation. It is a basic part of a language because it allows them to build sentences and write clearly. Moreover, it can also help learners in other areas like speaking or understanding what others are trying to communicate. For example, instead of saying, "Would you like coffee?" saying, "Would you like some coffee?" sounds more native and professional. If learners want to improve their English skills, they must start by learning the grammar rules and then practicing them until it becomes a habit. The better the learners get with their hold of grammar, the more confident they will feel when speaking or writing English. The second is practice. Practice is essential for becoming proficient in English or any language. Practicing English again and again and consistently will help you improve your English skills and achieve your language goal. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, it is important to make consistent English language learning a priority in your life. Gaining confidence in your abilities to speak or write English requires much practice and dedication. If you are a beginner, practice makes it easier to improve in your language learning process. And if you are an advanced learner, practice helps you to maintain your progress. Practice requires stamina, dedication, and sacrificing. But just like a saying goes, no pain, no gain. After you've made to your goal, it'll be the best experiences and prominent changes in your life. Thank you.